Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be solving this wonderful radical equation, and I'm going to start by saying let a be equal to 2 plus root 3. Then now if a is equal to 2 plus root 3, then 1 all over a will be equal to 1 all over 2 plus root 3. Now, I'm going to rationalize this expression, this 1 over 2 plus root 3, by multiplying it by its conjugate. So we say times 2 minus root 3 all over 2 minus root 3. Now, 1 over a will now be equal to 1 times 2 minus root 3 will give me 2 minus root 3 all over. Now 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3 will give me 4 minus 3. Then again we say 1 over a will be equal to 2 minus root 3 all over 4 minus 3 is 1. So therefore we can say 1 over a is equal to 2 minus root 3. So 2 minus root 3 is same thing as 1 over a. So now I can write the whole equation now as this is 2 minus root 3, which is the same thing as 1 over a. So here will be what? 1 over a all raised to the power of k plus 2 plus root 3. I will say 2 plus root 3 is what? A. So here will be plus a raised to the power of k equal to 4 raised to the power of k. Then we continue. This expression now can be written as 1 all over a raised to the power of k plus a raised to the power of k equal to 4 raised to the power of k. Then my next step now will be to multiply all components of this equation by a raised to the power of k. So we say 1 over a raised to the power of k multiplied a raised to the power of k plus a raised to the power of k times a raised to the power of k all equal to 4 raised to the power of k times a raised to the power of k. Then we'll continue. 1 over a raised to the power of k times a raised to the power of k will give us 1. So here will be what? 1. Then plus a raised to the power of k times a raised to the power of k is going to give me this a raised to the power of k square all equal to, now I can write this expression here now as 4a raised to the power of k because they have the same power. So now we'll continue again. Now I'm going to say recall a equal to 2 plus root 3. Now we write 1 plus open bracket, yes a, so I'll put another bracket again for my a. So we say 2 plus root 3 raised to the power of this k here, then close my brackets, then we'll put this square. Then now all equal to open bracket again, we have 4 bracket 2 plus root 3 all raised to the power of k. Then we continue again. Now my next step, now write this 1 plus, I'm going to interchange power here. Now this 2 will come inside, the k will go outside. So here will now become 2 plus root 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of k, all equal to, now we expand this, so we have bracket 8 plus 4 root 3, close my bracket, all raised to the power of k. Then again we continue, right? 1 plus, now I'm going to expand this. I will open my bracket. On expansion of this 2 plus root 3 square, I got 7 plus 4 root 3, close my bracket, all raised to the power of k. Then all equal to 8 plus 4 root 3 all raised to the power of k. Then my next step now will be to rearrange this. So now I'm going to write this now as, open bracket, 8 plus 4 root 3, then minus 7 plus 4 root 3 raised to the power of k, all equal to 1. So this expression here now is the same as this. Then I will continue. I'll write this again. I'll say 8 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of k minus 7 plus 4 root 3 raised to the power k equal to, now I'm going to write this as 8 plus 4 root 3 minus 7 plus 4 root 3. Now I already know that 8 plus 4 root 3 minus 7 plus 4 root 3 will give me the same one. 1 is equal to this. Now my next step now will be to compare. I'm going to compare this with this. I will compare this with this. Then also compare this with this. Now let's start our comparison. Now we say 8 plus 4 root 3 raised to the power of k will be equal to 8 plus 4 root 3. Now from here now, this is raised to the power of 1 and they have the same base. So since they have the same base, we equate the power. So we can say k equal to 1. So now I finished comparing this and this. So now let me compare this and this. So I can say that 7 plus 4 root 3 raised to the power of k equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. Now this now is the same thing as raised to the power of 1, so I'll put raised to the power of 1 here. Now on comparing both sides, now they have the same base and their powers are different, so we can equate the power, so we can say k is equal to 1. So therefore my solution to this radical equation is that k is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.